From the main menu, start the horizontal program. Select the item New Task to create a new task. The measurement setup window with the machine dimensions opens. Click on the star button to start editing the dimension values. Press the 0 button to enter the tolerance setting menu and set the desired values. Press button F1 then 5 to switch the measurement mode. Turn 3, 9 to 12 to 3 o'clock mode. Turn 4, mode in which readings are taken at 4 predefined shaft positions. Points multi-point mode. Measurement can be taken at any position 3 to 36 points. Once the instrument is connected to the sensors, align the shafts to the first 270-degree position. Press the Start button to perform the measurement. Then rotate the shafts to the 180-degree position and press the button Start. Turn the shafts to the 90-degree position and press the button Start. Moving to the last position. After 3 measurements have been taken, the device will go to the results screen. Select the horizontal plane and press the Start button. Proceed to adjusting the sliding machine horizontally. Readings on the instrument screen within tolerance. Press the asterisk button for vertical adjustment. Select the vertical parameter and rotate the shafts to the 180-degree position. Proceed to adjusting the sliding machine vertical. Readings on the instrument screen within tolerance. By clicking on the 8 button, you can go to the vault. By pressing the F5 button, you can save the alignment results.